Okay, good day. Today I am going to install a virtual machine on my MacBook Air. This virtual machine will be like a Power PC and it will run OS 9 instead of the OSX El Capitan that I have running on the MacBook Air. And the OS 9 will allow me to run some old software. There are two links that I think are important for you to know about. I'll copy these links into the comments. The first is immaculation.com, generally a wiki about how to run virtual machines on Macintosh computers to run older operating systems. And then the particular version that I'm installing, called Classic on Intel, is available as a package from this website and blog. So let's get right to it. You can read this page at your leisure, but I'm going to fast forward down to the download for what is called the Chubby Bunny package. That is right here. And this package, when you click it, you will download a folder called Classic on Intel, or COI v 4.0.1 plus. And this contains some items that the virtual machine will use, but the things that you will need to be aware of is the Classic app here is what you end up running, and one other thing needs to happen, and that is you need to put a disk image somewhere else on your hard drive. The installation is very simple. You take this folder, first of all, and put it in your Applications folder. The Applications folder, as you know, is in the first level of your boot hard drive. Once you have it here, the only other thing you need to do is open up one of those disk images. There's an 800 megabyte, 400 megabyte, and a 1200 megabyte disk image. They're zipped. You unzip them, or one of them. I like the big one. 1.2 gigs, huge. And then you move that over into that disk image into your shared folder. As you know, the shared folder is under the users directory on your boot drive. That's where the disk image goes. I have a few other things in here in the shared folder that are functional for running Chubby Bunny, except for ignore this last one. That is not necessary. None of it's necessary. But this is how you'll get started. That's the entire installation. Then you can run the Classic app, which I'm going to do right now to demonstrate. The Classic app boots up and runs a virtual Power PC on your OS X machine. The graphics that come up are these graphics warm the hearts of old geezers like myself who used to work on these machines back in the 1990s. It's where we learned our Macintosh chops. This virtual machine comes up just like an old Mac. There will be a boot drive. Should appear any moment. There it is. The boot hard drive is very small and doesn't have a lot of room for data or additional applications if you want to install them. I can show you. This boot drive has available on it 59 megabytes free. Even by 1990s standards, not an overly large amount of data or space. But you can see here on the boot drive is an Applications folder, and it comes with a nice little suite of old applications like ClarisWorks. Of course, you're free to install your own, but I do my own installations on the disk image. The disk image that we had put over here into the shared folder, the 1200 meg disk image, shows up as a volume in the virtual machine. There it is, called 1.2 gig. And you can open that up. and you'll see some things that I've already put in there. One of which is 9 data. This will be where I put files that I work on. And finally, there's a volume called Unix. That's right over here. And if you open that up, you will see Unix is actually the same as the shared folder in OSX over here. This shared folder is in essence the portal into the virtual machine because it shows up as this volume Unix. More about how I use all this stuff in the next video.